Check out this pissed off Japanese hornet. It's huge. Look at that stinger. Look at him trying to sting the pliers. This thing is enormous. It's brutal. Look at that stinger go. Crazy. Look at that bastard. He's like the size of a grown man's thumb, just to give you some indication. I don't think I can since I'm holding this, but oh, brutal. Get my thumb in front of that stinger. He's a big hornet, man. But look at that stinger. If I can get a close-up on that. Look at that. Oh. Crazy. Caught him in the pool. I'm going to put him in Jack or Lillian's pillowcase tonight, see what happens.